Hey hair-having folks, and those who used to be, get ready for news that's going to make your hair stand on end, in a good way. It looks like we're on the verge of a real revolution in the fight against baldness. Yes, you heard right. After years of depressing lotions, gross solutions, and scary stories about the side effects of magic pills, a ray of hope has appeared. Introducing VDPHL01. This isn't just a pill, it's the holy grail we've been waiting for. A hair growth elixir, a miracle pill that, according to the developers, can bring back a full head of hair, even for those who've said goodbye to theirs forever. What's the coolest part? It's not a hormonal bomb. Forget the horror stories about decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, and existential dread. They say with this pill, you can grow your hair and still be a total stud, or just a happy person, whatever's more important to you. No more sticky lotions, no more compromising on your hairstyle. You just swallow a pill. And voila, hair grows like mushrooms after the rain. At least that's what they're saying. But hold your horses, friends. Don't go getting that comb over just yet. VDPHL01 is still undergoing clinical trials. That means scientists are still checking to see how safe and effective this thing really is. But there are already encouraging results. Hair starts growing in as little as 2 months. By the way, here's your chance to become a pioneer. Right now, the US is recruiting volunteers to participate in the trials. So, if you live in America, are as healthy as an ox, and are willing to sacrifice your bald spot for the sake of science and a future glorious mane, then go for it. So, friends, let's keep our fingers crossed. Maybe soon we'll be making videos not about how to hide your bald spot, but about how to get a killer haircut. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest news on scientific breakthroughs and what's happening in the world. And remember, baldness is cool, sure, but hair is even cooler.